YouTube, what is up? Bearded Yakin here, and we got another video. Alright guys, y'all seen the couple part series of the Honda 2600 pressure washer repair, troubleshoot and repair, whatever you want to call it. The beard's a mess. I'm soaked from sweat. It's like 100 fucking degrees here in Pennsylvania. Fucking insane. I can't even see out my sunglasses right now. They're so fogged up. Sweaty and everything else. But anyway. Any fucking way. Last night, after the video, I assembled the whole pump, put it on, and now we're gonna freaking fire it up, see what it's like after the repair, to see if there's any other issues with the pump. You know what I mean? Because you never know till after you do a repair. You always got to do a test fire, and then 9 times out of 10 you're either tearing it apart or it's good. You know what I mean? So we'll find out if there's any leaks coming from the pump. You know, if any seals are bad and all that as another truck drives by. But anyway, like this right here, this one here, this is going to be the next rebuild. Motor's good. Same problem with the pump. Got this one here for $5. That's what I used the seals from. Seals were perfect. So we're going to get this one going soon. But, you know, I need to make some money. So I got to get some money up to buy the part for that one. And the seals. I'm going to need all new seals probably for this one. That pump there, I'm going to completely tear down and rebuild the whole entire pump. So we're probably talking between the radial part that I needed. That was like $51 plus shipping. The seals, to get all the seals for this, is probably like $14. The pump pins, they're probably, I've seen them, I can't remember. I believe they're like $10 for the set. So we're gonna do a full rebuild on that pump. You know, all that shit. Might do a video on it. I don't know. I don't know if I feel like doing a video on the same pump. You know what I mean? But anyway, let's get this bad boy fired up. See what we're messing with. I got the hoses and stuff already hooked up to it. And I made sure the initial pump itself that we had disassembled, part where the hoses hook up to, and let's just make sure the seals were good. Which seals ain't leaking. With just straight water running through it, no pressure at all. So now's the key. When we fire it up, we see how it performs. We'll be back in a second to you guys, in like 5 minutes for me. Stay tuned. And we're back. Let's do this. So it does appear we have a minor leak. I don't even know if I'm in the freaking footage. It does appear we have a small minor leak to where the pump piston is. But, well, I did disassemble that section to see what it looked like inside, and I probably just didn't tighten up the fasteners tight enough, you know what I mean? So we'll check that out later on. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So right in here, we got a steady drip. Now, we have a seam here, and this is the only spot where, shit, right down in here, yeah, you can see it right there. So, that's telling me that we got a small leak, and we're going to get this fixed. I don't see no other place. Can't really see in there good enough, but we got a steady drip. That's with straight water. It didn't show up before, so it doesn't look like it's coming out from where the piston is. Looks like it's coming out to where that whole housing gets screwed in on the bottom. So I'll have to disassemble, pull the seals off of the other one, and call it a day. So that's the plan. We're gonna tear it down again, just for that one side. And I don't even know if you guys can see me. Let me back it up. So we're going to tear it apart again. I'm going to replace the seals. I'm going to get the seals off this other one. I'm going to order all new seals for this other one. So we're going to do that. We're going to order new pins. I could probably take the pin off of that one, put it on that one. Just so I know I have a replacement. That's the whole point of buying all new parts. So that way you take the used parts and they're good, you keep them aside for spares. You know what I mean? In case you get into a pickle. So anyway, it works. It's pumping out some pressure. It's doing good. So it's about all I got to say, folks. Bearded Yakking here. Like, comment, subscribe. And we are signing off.